Hi, I'm Fred Gordy. Welcome to CyberBYTES from KMC Controls. Today we're focusing on the real first line of cybersecurity defense, people. Most folks jump straight into tools and techs, but awareness, habits, and skills are what stop trouble before it starts. I once worked an incident that took 92 days to fully recover. Drives were damaged, controllers were bricked, pumps were pitted, and chillers needed inspection. And the whole thing began because someone opened an email on a control system head in. One small action, huge impact. In OT environments, that's how it goes. A skipped maintenance step, an unsecured remote session, a change made without full context. Tiny decisions that turn into major outages. System integrators are in a unique position. You design, configure, and maintain these systems, which mean you also can influence how people interact with them. When you help customers strengthen awareness through guidance, training, and clear processes, you reduce risk long before an incident happens. Strong systems aren't just built on technology. They're built on people who understand how to use it safely. When an integrator supports the human layer, they move from being vendors to becoming trusted partners. If this sparked some ideas, reach out anytime. I'm Fred Gordy, and this is CyberBYTES from KMC Controls.